Lawn care business today. This unbelievable. Unbelievable. My wife told me about a lawnmower, but not here, somewhere else. It's a total. Oh. Hello. Yeah. I could take it, but can you take it apart? A lot of work. What a score. What a score. Another lawnmower. I might go grab that first and come back. I was going to call it quits. Bet she's moving or something. So let me check for the lawnmower. I'm gonna get the saw. Okay, hold on. Just the one the wife told me about. More dirty aluminum. They're all heavy lawnmowers. Whoops. Holy smokes, it's heavy. Probably about, I don't know, 70, 80 pounds. 70 pounds of the mortar's poise. No, maybe not. Hard to say. So, I'm gonna drop this off and maybe I'm gonna grab the basketball hoop. Okay. Okay. Garage door things. Might be too long for my van. Actually pretty heavy. How if I could move stuff over. This is probably 10-footer. It's too long for my van. I'm gonna come back and get it, but I'm gonna grab that hoop first. So I can lay that in there. I can use that actually for a fence, to be honest. I have a couple sections already. 4 sections. Okay, we come back. There's a bike sitting there. I thought it was sitting there before. I'll come back and get that bike too. It's been sitting in bushes there last time, I think. Okay. Screws. buckling. Yeah, I'll take nails too, sure. Okay, sure, yeah. Put some of the weight off.
But they need a tune-up.
Yeah, it's probably sit for so long and hard to start after. I find so many in the streets all the time. Yeah. Thanks very much, I think they're actually pretty heavy with plywood.
Those lawnmowers actually do work.
Yeah.
Oh, did he tell you?
He mentioned they need a tune-up or something.
Yeah. So,
well, look at them in better detail. Thank you. Shelving. These are all full of nails. Why is this so tight? Could be a battery in that car too. Usually under the seat. You have to unscrew it. Looks like. Just carry. I'm just gonna take this just because. They'll probably get pissed off otherwise. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna put it in like this. It's nice insulated too. over here. It's missing a tire. There's no tire. Okay, so just gonna kind of Mickey Mouse tie it up. I've got a few blocks to go only. Okay, I think that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, as always. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.